Hello everyone, this is my review of the Ninja Thirsti Drink System soda maker. This version of a soda maker is electronic, so you have to plug it in. It uses power and you can use multiple different settings on it. I'll show you that a little bit later. You can see the reservoir there. You can see here is where you put the CO2 cartridge into, and you put the water in the reservoir. It comes with these accessories, a packet full of different flavors. You have your CO2 cartridge here that you put in there to give you the soda. Let me show you some of the drink mixes you can mix together. You don't have to use these drink mixes. You could buy different drink mixes, but these ones are special because they fit into the Ninja soda maker for ease of use, and you can actually use two of them at the same time. You pull down this area here and see these two slots is where you put them in. You can put two in there, and you can also mix two at the same time or just one if you want. That's pretty cool. 8 different flavors come with the set here, but you can order additional flavors or no flavors if you want. You have that feature as well. I'll show you that later. Let me show you. You have another tray here, so you have a smaller cup. You can put it down on that tray, or as a larger cup, you stick it on the bottom there. These are the different options you can select. You can select still or sparkling. 3 levels of sparkling, depending on how bubbly you want it. You have your selection here for your flavors. Each of them have their own selection for your flavor. And here you can have your drink size of how large your cup is, and you just press start. Here is your water reservoir. You can fill up with cold water. When it's filled with cold water, that thing you see there that's blue, it turns blue to let you know that the temperature of the water is ideal for soda making. You can put ice in there if you want to, like I did, to make the water cool for when you're making your soda. And here on this side, you just add your CO2 cartridge here, and you'll be